Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if the names of the files downloaded in Microsoft Edge are in bold letters. Now, you might have seen an instance where you're trying to download the files from the Microsoft Edge, and when if you go to downloads, the letters or the files which are downloading are in bold. The only way to disable this bold feature is to disable the experimentation and configuration service control policies using the registry editor. Now, to do this, you will have to open the registry editor. To open the registry editor, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you will have to go ahead and type regedit. Click on OK. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you're on the registry editor, please make sure you follow the steps correctly. Just in case if you delete or make any incorrect modification, there are chances that your computer may not function the way how it is functioning. So once you're on the registry editor, you will collapse the registry. You can choose one of the registry key and use your left arrow key, or you can click on this arrow so that your registry is in collapsed state. Once you're on the structure, you will have to expand HK local machine by clicking on this arrow, and then locate software and expand software. Under software, you will have to locate for policies. It would be in alphabetical order. Expand policies. Under policies, look for Microsoft and expand Microsoft, and then select Edge. Once you have selected Edge, on the right hand side, you will have to go ahead and create a DWORD value. I will also mention this registry key in the video description. All you have to do is you will have to do a right click on the empty space here on the right hand side and then click on new and then click on DWORD 32-bit. You can copy the string from my video description. You will have to make sure it is in the same characters. It has to be case sensitive. Make sure you have the exact characters in the DWORD section and hit enter. Once that is done, you can do a right click and click on modify and make sure the value data has been set to 0. Once this is done, you may click on OK. Close the registry editor. Once the registry editor has been closed, also make sure you have your Microsoft Edge closed. Reopen Microsoft Edge. Once you open Microsoft Edge, you can try to download the file from the internet, and the files what you're downloading should display not in bold letters. So this is how you can go ahead and disable the names of the files downloaded in the Edge not in bold letters. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.